is your crossover. So you want to come up and stop. Go all the way up so you can see traffic to your right. And pause. Pause. You should be looking. The ramp looks clear. Make your left turn. Proceed, turn. I need you to get in the middle lane. Because if you go to the left, that's for left. The middle's for straight. The right lane is for right turn. So as you learn this, you'll be able to identify more. Perfect. Good. This is a short ramp, so you're going to have to pick up speed and get out there. Push that gas pedal. Yep. Accelerators. Yeah, see, they were in the wrong lane. You got to pick us up, because if you go too slow, we'll just get ran off the road. I got cut off by a truck here one time. So push that gas pedal. Keep accelerating. You're doing great. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Use your blinker. Look over your shoulder. Not bad. Lift your foot. The merge is okay. I thought it was all right. Keep driving. We'll let you get settled down here. Then I get you over to the middle. Then I get you over to the left. Keep eating. Good. I thought the merge was okay. I would like to maybe see a little bit more speed coming up, but you use your blinker, you checked your blind spot, you passed. I always want to give you more to help you grow. Keep it up. You're doing great. Nice. Now I want you to get over one lane to the left. Left is down. Perfect. Hey, that's a good blind spot check. Good. Stay in this lane. Drive. Stay smooth. All I look for is, can you stay at a tighter speed window? It's the 70 zone. Or are you going to lose 12 miles an hour? Can you relax and keep it straight? I think you can. I always am positive. I'm manifesting positivity. You will reach your goal. You will drive safe. Keep it up. Speed's okay. And then let's relax and look ahead and aim high. Keep putting in good work. We're always about putting in work. Yes. Yes. Very good. Good. I'm looking for you to keep good speed. See the cars, but don't stare at them.